Hi, my name is Jasmine Smith. The reason why at this point in my life I want to get my master's in social work is because I just graduated college not too long ago. It was last December actually that I graduated with my bachelor's, and I was already fresh with a lot of the material, and I didn't want to wait years to go back because I would start getting lazy and it would be extremely hard for me to get back in the habit of studying or writing papers. So I just thought it would just be best, in my best interest, just to continue school, continue getting my degrees nonstop. The quicker the better, and the younger the better, because I want to be a social worker so badly. I love, love, love the youth. I love teenagers and young kids, and I just want to do everything I possibly can to make sure that children have a better life. And if I can go home knowing that I helped them in some way, I will be a very happy social worker. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Bye.